G'day guys, how are you? So today I'm going to be making a bandana bib. Sophie's 10 months old. She doesn't have any teeth yet, but when she does start getting them, she's going to be drooling a lot. So I thought I'd make a bib in preparation.
Supplies: you will need a pattern cotton fabric, and then for the backing you can use some terry toweling. I'm using minky fabric, and flannel would also work. You'll also need some tape measure, scissors, and I'm using Velcro. Firstly, I'm cutting out a square 16 inches by 16 inches or 40 centimeters squared. Then, using the cotton fabric as a template, I'm going to cut out a square on the minky fabric. Then I'm going to cut that square in half, so I'm going to have 2 bandana bibs. I've made it larger because Sophie is 10 months old. Before sewing, have your material so it's inside out, so that you have the pattern fabric facing on the inside. Then I begin pinning it. I like to pin in a clockwise direction so that all the pins are going in the same way. Then I begin sewing. So I'm a very basic sewer, so I just do a bit of forwards backwards action at the start to lock it off so it doesn't unravel, and then I'm going to sew around the bandana bib, leaving a gap so that I can turn it the right way around. When I'm turning the bib the right way around, I find it's easier to get the corners out by rubbing it between your finger and your thumb. Then you've got a little gap, so I thought I'd just sew one straight line just to close that off. If you wanted to, you could also hand sew it. Next, I sewed the Velcro on, so I did one bit of Velcro on the cotton piece of material and the other on the minky fabric. And there, it's done. I think it's a cute little fashion accessory.
Thanks for watching guys. Have you found this bandana bib helpful for your kids when they're teething? Or if you've got any other tips to help with teething, please let me know in the comments below. As I said, Sophie doesn't have any teeth yet. All right, until next week, take care. Bye.